Mi-26 is a line of heavy transport helicopters manufactured by Mir Company and has become one of the most important military aircraft of the Russian Army. Recently, the new and most modern variant, Mi-26T2V, was launched and completed its testing program. It recently became known that this machine is now mass-produced and supplied to Army aviation units. In addition, the operation of such equipment has begun, and helicopters are already being involved in solving problems in the Special Operations Zone. The Mi-26T2V helicopter made its first flight in August 2018 and since then has undergone the necessary tests, including in the conditions of combat units of Army aviation. This allows the Ministry of Defense to draw conclusions and determine the future of the Mi-26T2V helicopter. It was decided to adopt it and order mass production. The original Mi-26 helicopter was developed in the mid-70s and made its first flight in December 1977. Subsequently, it was repeatedly modified and modernized in order to improve performance and gain new capabilities. At the same time, the modernization potential of the design has not yet been exhausted and ensures the emergence of new modifications. The Mi-26T2V projects provide for the preservation or minor modification of a number of main units and systems. The helicopter's airframe, power plant, support system, and a number of other mechanisms remain virtually unchanged. At the same time, the complex of navigation equipment, cabin equipment, etc. are radically updated. Thanks to this approach, it was possible to preserve all key technical characteristics and expand operational capabilities. The Mi-26T2V is equipped with an integrated avionics system of the NPK-92V type. It fully provides flights and problem solving in different conditions and at any time of the day. For this purpose, new satellite navigation systems, communication systems, etc. are used. The cabin equipment has been updated. Basic information is displayed on large LCD displays. Despite a certain reduction in load, the crew of the Mi-26T2V helicopter, as on previous modifications, includes 5 people. Taking into account current threats, the Mi-26T2V received the Weisberg Airborne Defense System. It includes a set of sensors to detect the launch of anti-aircraft missiles and optical electronic means for suppressing infrared guidance heads. At the same time, traditional blocks of false thermal targets are also preserved. The operational capabilities of the modernized helicopter generally remain at the level of previous modifications. The large cargo compartment with loading through the rear ramp has been retained. The helicopter's carrying capacity is 20 tons inside the cabin or on an external sling. It is possible to accommodate various types of cargo, or 60 to 70 passengers. In practice, the Mi-26T2V can transport a variety of cargo. First of all, the possibility of transporting equipment, including armored combat vehicles, is of interest. The helicopter can take on board one armored personnel carrier or airborne combat vehicle, deliver them to a given point, and unload them by landing. It is possible to transport lighter equipment, tow weapons, etc. The Russian Aerospace Forces Army Aviation has a large fleet of transport helicopters, equipped with machines of different classes and types. It covers all the needs of the armed forces for transport capable of operating from small platforms. The most complex tasks of this kind are designed to be solved by Mi-26 helicopters. They can deliver up to 20 tons of one or another cargo to a given point. The industry regularly develops various projects for the modernization of transport helicopters, due to which they maintain the required characteristics and improve their capabilities. The Mi-26 is no exception, and another result of such gradual improvement has already reached the troops. Moreover, the new Mi-26T2V even managed to prove itself in difficult combat conditions. The production of such equipment will give obvious positive results.